Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorials. Today we are going to look at beach animations. So let's get right into it. I have my scene set up here with my little seashells and my rock and my sandcastle, and now we're just going to make the wave. So what I'm going to do, I'm going into the shapes and I'm selecting double wave. And I'm just going to create it and tilt it. Just gonna fix this up a little bit and scale it. I'm just going to carry this toward the end of the image of the slideshow region. Here we go. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create the sort of dark layer that you see that is left behind when the water comes on the sand and it leaves a dark layer. That's what we're going to create first, and we're going to build our way up from there. So I'm going to select shape fill, and it's the same color as the sand. Just going to take out the outline. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going into shape fill, and under the different colors there's different sets of options. So I'm going into the gradient, and I shall just select a darker sort of gradient. Which one looks good? Let me check again. This one. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a line animation. Of course, change the direction of it, make sure that it's alright. So let's just check it out. Oops, I think I put the animation the wrong way. Let me just undo that. Alright, here we go. Good. So what we're going to do, we're going to double click and we'll end up into the animation settings, and I'm just going to click on auto reverse, and under timing I'm just going to select 5 seconds, and I'm going to let it repeat until the end of slide. Good. And the next one we're going to do, we're going to duplicate it, change the color to a sort of light blue, and this will go with previous, and it already has the same sort of animation. So I'm just going to change the delay by about 0.50 seconds. Although I believe this one would look better if the light blue comes in first, because this is underneath that. So I will let this play first instead, and I'll put the darker layer as with previous. There we go. And now I'm going to duplicate it again, and this time I'm going to make it a darker blue. And it will be playing with previous, and I'm going to double click on this one, and under smooth start and smooth end, I'm just gonna change this to about 1 second. And let's just check it out and see. Let's look at it in slideshow mode. And there we go, we have our animation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, look out for more videos, check out our other videos, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching.